The FIWARE organization has some awesome open source tools like the Orion-LD Context Broker to help you gather your smart model data from your smart devices and put them into one place. I want to show you how to deploy the FIWARE Context Broker today on your OpenShift local environment, because we're doing a hackathon here at Red Hat Consulting where we're going to be working with the FIWARE Context Broker and gathering smart model data. I want to show you how to do it. Let's go to GitHub. My keyboard was frozen for a sec. So github.com/fiwareops/marinara. And in customize bundles, nope, it's not there. It's in this in-cluster stuff. Now, I have this FIWARE Marinara repo checked out already. And let's check here in overlays, OpenShift local customization.yaml. Yeah, this is what we want to install because we've already installed the external secrets operator and the vault and ArgoCD operator and the FIWARE namespace and MongoDB secret. Now we're going to install some ArgoCD applications. Let me show you more here. If we go to clusters, in cluster, Marinara, customization, you'll see that we've defined FIWARE's Helm chart here for the FIWARE platform, Marinara. It's going to be deployed in the ArgoCD namespace, and it has these values. Now, what is this values.yaml? It has the ArgoCD applications that we want to run, including MongoDB and the Orion-LD Context Broker. So this is all the data we need to deploy these applications. Now, before I go and do these, because we're going to cd into .local src FIWARE Marinara, we're going to make sure our OpenShift local environment is running. crc start. Sure enough, it is. I want to pull up a couple things. First of all, we'll pull up the console. And find our, not in workloads, it's in networking, routes, ArgoCD, namespace. We want to pull up our ArgoCD application. I'm going to log in as kube admin. So right now we have no applications, but you're going to see them appear. But at the same time, I want to show you, let's see. I want to show you side by side something. So I need to shrink this just right. All right, we'll do that one like that. This one. Side by side. We'll go to the developer console. And go to the FIWARE project. And go to topology, because right now this is empty, but you'll see it populate. We want to make sure that we're logged in to the console. So I grab my token and paste it in the terminal. Now all I need to do is go back to topology, OC apply -K for customize. And it's in clusters, in cluster, marinara, right here. Ready, go. Let me try going back one more. Oh, okay, I need to use the right command. So I'm going to go to the marinara documentation, local marinara, and right here it says to specify OC customize, and then it'll be clusters, in cluster, marinara, and then these parameters: enable Helm, load restrictor, load restrictions, and then the OC apply -F dash comes at the end. Let's try this, make sure it works. Sure enough, it did. So then it's set up some applications here, and it's starting to install these. It says progressing, syncing. So at the same time, ArgoCD is going and launching these Helm charts and deploying objects to OpenShift. So we're doing a lot of things at once. It's pretty cool to watch. We'll just watch as these progress. We'll put a little arrow here because Orion-LD is going to reach out to MongoDB to add smart data model data and query it. So MongoDB is now healthy and synced. And Orion-LD is catching up. It's healthy, it's syncing. That one is synced. So there's a little back and forth, but they're working on getting it installed. Meanwhile, I want to add one thing to our deployment of Orion-LD. No, we'll just leave it here. So let's test out this route here. There's a route to Orion-LD. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, so we need to wait a little longer for this to be available. We can check out the pod logs to see the state of everything. It looks like everything's healthy and synced. MongoDB keeps progressing. So let's take a look at MongoDB pod. Check out the logs. Okay, I think we're good. We go to v2/entities, and sure enough, yes, that's working. Trying to think of another. Oh yeah, we can do version. So yes, in fact, our context broker is up and running. You saw it there. Our applications are healthy and synced. So now we're good. Sometimes it takes a while, but ArgoCD takes care of everything behind the scenes and will keep your applications up to date with what it expects them to be. So it's pretty cool. So I hope that was helpful. We're going to continue to use this FIWARE Context Broker and deploy additional applications that will integrate with it. So I hope you stay tuned, and thanks for watching.